Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with Budget Gaming HD. We've got a fantastic episode lined up for you guys today, and you don't want to miss that. In today's episode, I'll be covering how to recover your Excel workbook passwords. That's right, Excel workbook passwords, or essentially bypass them. Let's say theoretically, in the sad event you manage to lose your Excel workbook password. Don't fear, I've got the answer for you. Let's jump right in. So welcome to this tutorial. Let's first start off by creating a workbook password. Just type in some nonsense in here. Copy pasting it. Saving that. Just call it book 1, documents, save. You want to go down to sheet 1. You want to say protect sheet. Let's make it a password. There we go. Now, save changes. Reopen up our book. Let's try and edit. The cell chart trying to change is protected by the sheet, right? So let's go unprotect the sheet. It's asking for a password. Now, like I've mentioned in the video, unfortunate event, you managed to lose this password. Let me show you how to unprotect this password. Please take note strongly, I'm only showing you this to use for home purposes, or if you manage to lose it at your company. I strongly disadvise from using this for malicious intent or bypassing any secure documents. This is purely to help you, the viewer at home, and this is not to show you how to get into protected sheets that does not belong to you, so please take note. So the first step into cracking this password, or essentially bypassing it, is you want to go and add the developer options into your ribbon. First step would be File, Options, on the left hand side customize ribbon, on the right hand side click on Developer and say OK. Go to Developer, click on Visual Basic, double click on this workbook, paste the script that I will leave in the comment section below, and just say run.
A few moments later.
So after you receive that notification, let's go and unprotect the sheet with the password we received. So there was 11 8s, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there we go. Unprotected, guys. Amazing. So there you go, guys. I really hope this tutorial has helped you. Please let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or didn't like it. Please also let me know what you would like to see for future content. Remember to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with my latest content, and hit that subscribe, as that helps to support the channel for future content. So I shall see you soon.